Hi guys, just like before, make sure you guys take good notes. This is 11.2 to 11.4 review, and so make sure you guys take good notes, take your time, try these out. What I would suggest is try to do these problems by yourself if possible, and then if you need help, then you can watch the notes and see what you did wrong or how to do it. Before we get started, let's just remember the different equations. The slope equation, just defined m, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In order to use this equation, you need to have an x1 and y1 value, and you also need an x2, y2 value. So that's a slope equation. Slope intercept is y equals mx plus b. For this one, you need to know a slope and you need to know a b. M is slope, b is your y-intercept. That's where it hits the y-axis. Lastly, the other equation that we learned was point slope. Point slope was y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Make sure you guys know these different equations. I know it's kind of messy, but hopefully you guys should already have that. So 11.2 says find the slope of a line that passes through each point. So we're just trying to find slope. If you're just trying to find slope, we're going to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Make sure you guys always label the points. It is helpful to label. And after you label it, all you're going to do is plug in. So y2 is 3 minus y1 is 1 over x2 is 6 minus x1 is 3. So we have 2 over 3. We can't simplify, so our slope is 2/3. For our next one, we're going to also find slope. So we're going to do negative 2 minus 2 over 4 minus 3. Remember, you label, you write down what you need to write down. 2 minus negative 2 is negative 4 divided by 4 minus 3 is 1, so our slope is negative 4 over 1, or just negative 4. Again, we're finding slope here, so negative 2 minus 4 over negative 1 minus 4. We're going to get negative 6 over minus 1 minus 4 is negative 5. Negative 6/5 is the same as positive 6/5. Go ahead and try this one by yourself. Negative 2 minus 5 over 6 minus negative 1. Negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7 over 6 minus negative 1 is the same thing as 6 plus 1, which is 7. Negative 7 over 7 is negative 1. Make sure you pause, slow down. I know I'm going through this kind of fast, but slow down if you need to. For the next one, we're finding slopes and y-intercepts. Okay, we're trying to find the slope and y-intercept. In order to find the slope and y-intercept, we want to get this into y equals mx plus b. Okay, so basically we want to get y by itself here. In order to get this y by itself here, this is multiplication. It's 2 times y, so we're going to divide both sides by 2. That gets us y is equal to 3/2 x plus 8 over 2, which we can simplify to y is equal to 3/2 x plus 4. Now we have it in slope-intercept form. It says find our slope, so the slope is 3/2, whatever number is in front of the x, and our y-intercept is b, which is 4. So this would be our final answers here. Same problem, we want to get y by itself, so we're going to divide by 3. We have y is equal to 5/3 x minus 9 over 3, which is the same as y is equal to 5/3 x minus 3. So our slope is 5/3. Our y is, be careful here, it's negative 3. Now this one's a little bit different. We don't have 5y by itself here, so the first thing that we have to do is subtract 4x, okay, because we want to get 5y by itself. So 5y is equal to negative 4x plus 10. Now we can divide by 5. Remember, you cannot divide by 5 first. So we have y is equal to negative 4/5 x plus 10 over 5, which is the same thing as negative 4/5 x plus 2. Our slope is negative 4/5, and our b is 2. Lastly, I want to work on point slope form. You remember point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So we're going to go ahead and plug in these points and the slope here. Remember, this is x1, y1, and this is m. So we have y minus 3 is equal to 4 times x minus 1. The next one, same thing, y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So we have y minus 4 is equal to negative 2 times x minus negative 3, which is the same thing as x plus 3. You do need to rewrite it as x plus 3. Same thing here. Y minus negative 2 is y plus 2 is equal to negative 3/5 times x minus 0, which is y plus 2 is equal to negative 3/5 x. We don't have to write that minus 0. Equation here, y minus 0 is equal to 2/7 times x minus 0. Y is equal to 2/7 x. We don't have to write the zeros because anything minus 0 is just the same number. One last one I want to do with you guys. Let's just not worry about this one for now. I want to talk about finding x and y intercepts. So if we have, for instance, 4x plus 5y is equal to 10, and we need to find x and y intercepts, just remember for x intercept, we're going to set y equal to 0. For the y-intercept, we're going to set x equal to 0. So let's do the x-intercept first. We're going to set y equal to 0, so 4x plus 5 times 0 is equal to 10. So 4x is equal to 10. We divide by 4, and x is equal to 10/4, which is 10/4, which is the same as 5/2. So then our x-intercept is going to be 5/2 comma 0. That's one answer. For the y-intercept, we're going to set x equal to 0. So 4 times 0 plus 5y is equal to 10. 5y is equal to 10. We divide by 5. Y is equal to 2. So it's going to be 0 comma 2. That's our y-intercept. Please make sure you guys know how to find the x and y intercepts.